How to install the Houdini 27 harness. Firstly, remove the harness from the packaging and remove the rubber bands holding the folded webbing. Locate the top of the harness by looking for two vertical straps on the short end of the PVC rectangle. These are the shoulder straps. Once the top has been located, locate the two horizontal webbing straps on the top and bottom of the long side of the PVC pad. These straps are what will secure the harness to the vehicle seat. Pass these two straps around the vehicle seat horizontally. The webbing will then meet the metal tri-glide at the back of the seat. The webbing needs to be threaded and locked like this, under and over the metal bar, and then pulled firmly. As many seats have foam on the side, these will compress quite a bit, so pull it firmly to have a solid fit. Now thread the remaining webbing through the plastic tri-glide, under and over like so to fully secure the harness. Now have the user seated. Place the two shoulder straps over the shoulders. Pull the webbing to tighten on the shoulders. The waist strap must now be tightened to a firm fit around the user's trunk. Next, take the last remaining webbing strap that has a loop and pull it up between the user's legs. Do not pull too tight as this may hurt the user. Place the loop over the buckle. If it's too loose, pull the webbing to achieve the correct height. Then secure the buckle to the trunk pad that is attached to the neoprene pad, like so. Ensure all buckles are secured and straps are tightened. Place the neoprene pads on the user's shoulders and between the legs and fold together, securing in place with Velcro. These are not mandatory to use, however they do make the harness more comfortable, especially for longer journeys. Very important, lastly place the vehicle seat belt on the user over the top of the harness. You are now ready to use the Houdini 27 harness.